Hello guys, in today's video I am gonna show what will happen if you're gonna remove a RAM stick from a fully working running computer here. So this is my old computer which I used like for some years, and yeah, I'm basically today it's time to do experiments with it. Well, I'm actually gonna do one experiment now, and after some while I'm gonna try to install Windows XP on it, because Windows XP, you know, it's a very beautiful system here, so hopefully this machine will support because it's older one. So let's try. Let's have a music running here. I mean playing. Alright, it's time to unplug. Hopefully I will not gonna get electrocuted. Oh god, what the heck? Let's try to put this back. Oh, sound just gone. The whole PC froze. Reboot. Anything? Yeah, still works. Oh god damn. Why it doesn't work all the time? Oh, I don't care. That was weird. Still running. Let's redo this, but I'm gonna take out fully the RAM stick. Wait a minute, the camera glass just look shit. Come on! Boot up. Looks like the Windows has been affected by a RAM. Oh, it just booted up. I'm just gonna enter a passcode. I didn't boot yet, goddamn faster. No, finally. Let's see. Actually, now it just takes some time, actually way longer. It just boots longer than usual it was. There's no mic. Oh, there goes mouse. There we go, just booted up. Or it's not. Oh, it's not booted yet. What the hell? Okay, that's weird. Please do not pop personal info. Alright, so let's redo this by playing music again, but I'm gonna remove fully now. Let's see. Come on. God, this thing sucks. I mean, hard drive. In fact, that hard drive is made in 2006. It has only SATA 1 connection, which is slowest one I have. Like, this is the hard drive, which is the slowest I ever had. But yeah, with the goddamn song again. There we go. Yeah, actually now it takes longer to boot the apps and everything. Come on, do it faster. What are you still goddamn turning on? Come on. I'm not gonna wait all day here. Come on. You serious? You still got him turning on the goddamn, like, trying to play music, and you can't? There you go. But it didn't is it? It's not loaded yet. Oh, there it goes. Alright. Update available. Here's your update upgrade, actually. It's time to take off. Oh, I think I shorted the PC. Because the PC just turned off. Yep, looks like I shorted. Or maybe it has like a protection while the PC is running. If you're gonna try to remove a RAM stick, it's just gonna turn off itself. And no picture. Because the RAM is, look at this, how it's put it. Oh, it's getting louder. Don't worry, it will not explode. Oh god damn, the freaking dust just came into my eye. So dusty computer, goddamn. Yeah, nothing. Okay. Yeah, now it will be working. Yep. So yeah guys, this is what will happen if you're gonna remove a RAM stick from a running computer. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and bye. And soon I'm thinking to record how I'm gonna install Windows XP on this thing. Well, first of all I need to find the drivers and everything. And yeah. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and bye.